What's it like to find a modern and conveniently located single-family home in North Seattle? Hi everybody, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in North Seattle and the community is called Holler Lake. So Holler Lake is a very private and quiet community. A lot of single-family homes, older homes, so everybody has bigger land and good privacy. And this community is only 5 to 10 minutes away to Northgate Mall and only 20 minutes away to Seattle downtown. And there's going to be a new light rail station on 130th Street. It's going to be open in 2026. That will be even better for all the commuters to downtown Seattle. And this community also enjoys a lot of great school resources. They have the Robert Eagle Staff Middle School and Ingraham High School. And this home is actually built in 2014. You know, it's very hard to find a newer home in North Seattle. The home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the square footage is over 3,300. And the lot itself is 10,000 square feet. That is very flat. Let's go and check it out. So coming through the front door, the foyer actually has a 2-level ceiling height, and there is a chandelier in the middle, a lot of windows, so great natural light. And then on the left-hand side, this is an office. They have a French door, a glass French door. It's not a very big office, but you can easily fit in, shelves and your desk in the middle, and a big window on the side. So the whole first floor has hardwood, very luxurious. And then coming in, this is their family room, and I really like the size of it. You can easily put in 2 sections of couches, and then you can hang your TV here on top of a gas fireplace. So great place for family get together and watch TV. And then here is the kitchen. So the kitchen is another selling point of this home. It is very big, has a great island in the middle. It has granite countertop and dark color cabinet. And all the appliances are stainless steel. They also have a gas stove with a range hood, so it's perfect for your cooking. And then coming through this way, they also have a walk-in pantry right here, and then another bedroom on this floor. So this is not very big, but it can fit in a queen-size bed. And then also there is a full bath right next to this room. So very convenient if you have a guest staying with you. And then coming through this way, this is actually a hallway, also a prep section. If you have a party, you can prepare your food here. They have a sink, and then they also have a wine cellar right here. And then this is their formal dining area, because this is facing south and big window. You can see the view of your front yard and a lot of natural light. A chandelier in the middle, and you can easily fit in like 12 seats right here. Great space for parties. So now we are on the 2nd floor. Coming through the stairs, here is a skylight, so great natural light coming through. And then this floor has 4 bedrooms and a bonus room, really big. Let me show you the primary bedroom first. So French door for the primary coming through. This is a vaulted ceiling, have great lights, and then also 3 windows in this bedroom. And I also like how spacious this bedroom is. You can easily fit in like a king-size bed, nightstand, and a lot of couches here. And then here is the primary bath. So the style matches what we have downstairs in the kitchen, and they have tiles on the floor, and then also has all the tiles in this shower room. It's not very big, but I think it's a very functional floor plan. And then they also have a walk-in closet at the end. They have cabinets in this walk-in closet, and you can add more if you like. Now I want to show you the bonus room. So we will walk through this hallway, which is quite spacious. And here, this is a French door, and then coming through, This is the bonus room. Just like the primary, it has vaulted ceiling and then light fixtures on the ceiling. I think it is a great place for a media room, a game room, or a gym. This property will also be put on the market this week. There will be an open house on the weekend. If you're interested, please come and visit us. See you next time.